Primo's integration with VingCard provides a single interface for managing access for both guests and staff. This is particularly valuable in the hospitality industry, where access control requirements for front of house are very different to those of back of house. Today, we'll show you just how easy it is to get started, explore the key features, and reveal how this integration can transform the way you manage access and efficiency across your property. Let's get started and see how this exciting new integration can empower your business to do more, with less effort. Let's look at a real-world example. The Overlook Hotel has recently implemented the Primo system to manage staff access across their property. Alongside Primo, they've also been using VingCard to handle guest access from room entry to on-site facilities. Now, with the addition of the new Primo VingCard integration, everything comes together seamlessly. The hotel manager can now manage both staff and guest access directly from Primo, streamlining enrollments, reporting, and daily operations in one unified platform. This means less time spent switching between systems, fewer errors, and a more connected, efficient hospitality experience for both staff and guests. Now that we've seen how the Overlook Hotel benefits from the Primo VingCard integration, let's take a closer look at how the integration is configured. In just a few simple steps, you can connect VingCard with Primo and start managing both staff and guest access from a single platform. We'll walk you through the setup process, from enabling the integration to syncing your access points and verifying communication between the two systems. Let's get started and see just how quick and seamless the configuration process really is. First, we will need to set up the account. Under the Software System Accounts, we need to set up the account. Enter in the VingCard URL where the VingCard software is located. Additionally, enter in your VingCard username and password. You may choose an SSL certificate to secure the integration communications if you require it. We will look at the certificate setup later. Once the details are filled out, ensure that you enable the VingCard integration. Here you can click on the Test Account button to ensure that your configuration is working correctly. The Sync Now button will sync the doors, locks and time configuration from the VingCard system. This concludes the account setup for the VingCard integration. Securing the Primo VingCard integration with a PFX certificate, this step is not required for the integration to function. However, with our improved security features within Primo, we are able to secure the communications for the Primo VingCard integration if you choose to do so. To obtain the PFX certificate for integrating software with a VingCard system, you would need to contact your VingCard system provider. This certificate can be exported through some command line-based commands on the VingCard system or software. Within the Primo Web UI, navigate to the Security Policies section. Click on the Manage window and an import window will appear. Click on the Choose File button. Select your VingCard PFX certificate. Enter the certificate type, VingCard, and password. Review the imported, saved certificate. Update the VingCard account settings under System Accounts to use your newly imported certificate. Click on Test Account to verify the updated configuration with your certificate. Next, we will encode a card for a tag holder. There are two options for creating or encoding a new VingCard credential, staff and guest. Each can be set up with variable access points, time schedules, and expiry times. Primo will sync the configuration for each door as well as any time schedule settings once your VingCard account is set up and the sync now has been completed. To start enrolling and encoding a new VingCard credential, we will navigate to the Enrollment tab and select the staff or guest user details. Then we will open the user's credentials. Click on Enroll and the enrollment wizard will start. Select to encode your card. Then select Encode via VingCard. Select the user type where we can select staff or guest. We will select the door where access will be granted. For selecting staff, we can enter a time schedule, expiry date, and time. When selecting a guest card, you will also see additional enrollment options such as room number, check-in and check-out date and time, as well as expire date and time. Once completed, you will then encode the card on the VingCard encoder automatically as long as your card is placed on the reader. Lastly, we will look at the reporting for VingCard. VingCard will have its own specific reporting where data from VingCard is imported into Primo. To access the VingCard report, we will start by opening the reporting menu within the Primo web interface. We will navigate and open the VingCard report. For this report, a date filter is available. Once you have selected the required date, click refresh for the data to appear within the VingCard report. This concludes our showcase of the Primo VingCard integration. As you've seen, this powerful connection brings your staff and guest access management together in one seamless platform, saving time, improving efficiency, and enhancing the overall guest experience. We hope this demonstration has given you a clear look at how easy it is to configure and the real impact it can make for your operation.